garden. It's called the Route 66 Community Garden. It's a great place to grow your vegetables and your fruits. Let's check it out.
The Route 66 Community Garden is a place where you can rent a plot to grow your own vegetables, fruits, and herbs. They have events such as a potato growing workshop, kids craft day, and a composting workshop. You can join the food share program where you can donate your food that you grow, or you can donate $15 a month to the nonprofit community garden and pick up fresh, organically grown food. There are also opportunities to volunteer. You can come by the second Saturday of any month and you can plant seeds, pull weeds, or turn compost. They also have Kids Craft Day, which is the last Saturday of every month this summer. They also have composting workshops where you can come to the garden and learn to turn your kitchen scraps into compost for your plants. You can also rent a plot of land such as a 10 by 20 in-ground plot or a 20 by 20 in-ground plot. This is such a beautiful place. They even have a vineyard here. This place has really grown to be a great resource for the community. You can definitely learn a lot here about gardening. It looks like it's sunflower season and there's so many beautiful sunflowers. There are grapes growing right now in the vineyard with the beautiful backdrop of the mountains. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more videos.